Hi guys, it's me again, Hiroshi, 5th grade at Baptist Elementary School. On this video, I will tell you about my fascinating hobby. It's fishing. Every Saturday and Sunday, I look forward to my fishing adventure with my beloved Uncle Juna. Okay, let's go! First thing first, we have to make a special fish bait.
Take some pellets and rice, then crush them using a rubber hammer. Then mix it until it's all mixed well.
Our fish bait is ready, guys. Before I could go fishing, I have to prepare the gear. Fishing line, fish bait, and fishing rod.
Our fishing excursion typically began around the afternoon, when the sun began to approach the horizon, so it's not too hot outside.
The best part, the lake I frequented was just a stone's throw away from my house. It was a quick 5 minutes bike ride or a pleasant walk away.
I have fishing rods designed for catching small fish, and I use little hooks to make sure I don't miss a thing. I also had a fishing line, the invisible thread that would catch the fish. All my fishing tools fit nicely into a fishing bag. That was like a magical bag. It could even transform into a chair, perfect for sitting by the lake.
You just need to throw the bait into the water and wait.
I catch the fish, guys. I don't take the fish, so I release it. Fishing wasn't just a regular hobby for me, it was a passion. We knew that the real secret to fishing success was patience. I have to sit by the siren light, casting the lines and waiting. You can talk, laugh, and enjoy peaceful moments while keeping a close eye on our fishing rods. When the line would wiggle and dance, indicating a fish was curious about our bait. That's when the real taste of passion began. We have to wait for the fish to decide it was the right moment to take a bite. It could be minutes or even hours, but we were always ready, knowing that the fish had to just swim to it.
Well guys, it's been a wonderful day of fishing. Indeed, fishing is not just hobby, it's a passion for the patient. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.